To celebrate the second anniversary of our NailTube Friends group, we're doing a special collab. All the girls will be participating in a fun mani swap. I got to recreate one of Maria's manicures and this is the one I chose. And the other girls will be recreating the manicures that you see here. Check the description box below where you can find links to the videos of the manicures they recreated. I started off applying one coat of this Sinful Colors polish called Dream On. It has a matte finish. Now I'm going to apply the second coat. To stamp, I'll use the same plate Maria used in her video, and it's the Born Pretty Celebration BPXL014. I'll use my white Pueen stamping polish called Pure White. To recreate Maria's manicure, I stamped the same images she chose. And while I'm stamping, I wanted to share with you guys that I'm really thankful for this beautiful group of friends that I found here on YouTube. I can't believe that it's already been 2 years of this beautiful friendship. I also want to take the time to thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to my channel and for all those lovely comments that you guys leave for me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I do a little bit of cleanup with a piece of tape. If you're new to my channel and you like my content, I invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. After doing quite a little bit of cleanup around the cuticles, now I'm ready to apply my top coat, and today I'm going to be using the Born Pretty No Smudge top coat because I want to make sure that none of the images smear. And now we finish off by applying a little bit of cuticle oil. This is the end result and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and don't forget to check the description box where you can find links to my friends' videos. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!